Why an egg is called vegan? Those who are not very familiar with vegan food might have some legitimate questions about what is now known as a vegan egg. Exactly what does a vegan egg look like? The vegan egg produced by a Swiss company. In fact, those who choose this dietary regimen do not eat eggs since eggs are a product of animal origin. Some time ago, however, a Swiss company tried to produce a vegan egg. The ingredients used is an egg made by using the following ingredients: water, soy protein, rice starch, soluble corn fiber, canola oil, as an anti-caking agent calcium phosphates, and for thickeners carrageenan, gluten-free wheat fiber, natural flavors, natural gelling agents such as gellan gum and agar-agar, and carotenes for color. A 100% plant-based product, and while the appearance is every bit that of an egg, the origin is 100% plant-based. The Swiss company was not alone in coming up with this vegan alternative. A product not only for vegans. In addition to meeting the dietary needs of those on a vegan diet, products of this type can also be useful for those who suffer from hypercholesterolemia and need to avoid foods that may be at risk.